Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox failed to connect to the game error step by step. First, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes these programs block Roblox from connecting to its servers. Open your antivirus or Windows security settings and look for allowed apps or whitelist. Make sure Roblox is added to that list. If it is blocked, allow it and save the changes. Next, make sure you are not using a VPN or proxy. Simply turn off any VPN or proxy you are using, then try launching Roblox again. After that, clear temporary Roblox files. These files can sometimes get corrupted and cause errors. Press the Windows key and R, then type %localapp and press Enter. Open the Roblox folder and delete the logs folder. This will remove temporary data that may be causing the issue. If the problem is still not fixed, reinstall Roblox. Go to the control panel and uninstall Roblox completely. Then go to the official Roblox website and download the latest version. Install it and try again. These steps usually fix the connection error. Thanks for watching.